Hello friends, this is your Canvas Academy, myself Swarpanand. Today I am going to teach you cross product in Cartesian form. Guys, actually we can find the product between two vectors of any physical quantities and also any dimension. That means we can multiply 2D vector with a 3D vector, 3D vector with a 1D vector, likewise. So guys, let's without any delay start our lecture. So guys, cross product in Cartesian form. Suppose a vector A have its component ax along I cap, ay along j cap, plus ag along k cap, that means along g direction, g axis. Guys, another vector b, bx I cap plus by j cap plus bg k cap. A cross b will be, guys, we know that the cross product is a vector product, always it gives a vector. So guys, let's see how we have to multiply ax component with all component of b vectors and ay with all component of b vectors and also ag with all component of b vector. Look how we multiply ax. First we have to write the vector ax I cap plus ay j cap plus ag k cap cross product with bx I cap plus by j cap plus bg k cap. Ax I cap, ax I cap multiply with bx I cap, that is ax bx I cap I cross I cross I, then plus ax by I cross j plus a x bg I cross I cap cross k cap, then ay with whole components of b, that means a y bx ay bx j cross I plus ay by j cross j plus ay bj j cross k plus again bg with all components of b vectors, that means bg bx k cross I plus b g ag by k cap k cross j plus bg k cross k. guys, first we have to find the I cross I, that means multiplication of unit vector. Look here, A cross B, magnitude of A cross B is equal to AB sin theta, we know. So I cross I, magnitude of I cross I will be I cross I, the magnitude is 1 into 1 sin 0 degree, that is equal to sin 0 is equal to 1 into 0, so that is equal to 0. That means if we cross I or equal vector, then their magnitude will be 0. So I into j, I cap into j cap, the magnitude I cap into j cap will be 1 into 1, 1 into 1 into j cap, that means psi theta. We know that the angle between the I cap and j cap is perpendicular. These are orthogonal unit vector, that means they are perpendicular to each other. So the angle between them will be 90 degree. So 1 sin 90 is equal to 1, that is equal to 1. And I cap into k cap, the direction, it is the magnitude of I cap and j cap is 1, but the direction will be perpendicular to the cross product of two vector is the perpendicular of each vectors. That means the I cross j is also another vector which is perpendicular to both I and j. So there will be along the k cap I cross j, if we I cross j along the k cap, I cross k or I cross k will be like 1 sin theta is 90 degree, so there will be 1, that means 1. The direction will be perpendicular to I and j, I and k, that is k, that is j, but this will be in opposite direction, so I and j, k will be minus j cap, that is minus 1 j cap. Guys, actually I am going to teach you wonderful tricks. Guys, look, in books there also I, j and k. When we go anti-clockwise, when we go clockwise, it gives plus, this is plus, that means plus coordinate system, it will gives the direction of the product I and j is along the plus k cap. So when we multiply reversely, that means in the anti-clockwise direction, it will gives minus, that means a minus and this is plus. Look, I and k, first I and k, that means we have to move in anti-clockwise direction, so this will be another unit vector of negative sign, this will be another unit vector of negative sign, that means I and k is minus j cap. So when we again let k cross I in clockwise direction, so k cross I also gives positive 1 into positive j, positive j cap direction. Likewise, if j into I, j cap into I cap, then j cap into I cap in the opposite anti-clockwise direction. So it will be negative of k cap 1, that is negative k cap. Magnitude will be 1 and the direction will be negative k cap, so minus 1 k cap. Guys, I hope you will get clear. So guys, next I am going to teach you another tricks, which is I call this rhythmic tricks. That means IJK, IJK, IJK. You have to first you have to by heart IJK, IJK, IJK in proper sequence. IJK, I के बाद J, J के बाद K. IJK, I first I, then J, then K. IJK, 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 IJK. That means that I cap into K cap, cross K cap, I cross K, I cross I, J, K, I. That means positive J. Direction only positive J. J into I cross J into K, J, K, J cover I. That means it is in opposite direction. So J I, J K, J K, J K. Instead of K, there is I. That means it is minus K. Let is K cross J, K cross J, K I J, K I J K. That means K and J means negative of I, negative of I cap. Make sense, guys? We have to first by heart the rhythmically. That means IJK, 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 IJK. Bas. So we not need this formula. We don't need this formula. We can directly find the cross product of unit vector by rhythmic method. This is called rhythmic method, guys. So guys, next, so we have to use this concept here to find the A cross B. Look, guys, AX, BX, I cross I cross I equal vector will be 0. That means we can cancel this I cross I and J cross J and K cross K. This will be 0. Sin 0, 0. Sin theta, sin 0 is equal to 0 degree. So now I have B AX BY I into J, I into J. They are in proper order. That means I J, that means K positive K cap. Again AX plus BJ I K, KI. This actually this will be KI, but here is IK, that means negative of J cap. So minus AX BG, negative of J cap. Then this is J AY BX J cross I, J cross I J होना चाहिए, IJK J होना चाहिए, लेकिन that means J I, that means they are in opposite order. माइनस K होना चाहिए, माइनस K AY BX K cap. So this will be minus sign. Next AY BJ JK in proper order. So I cap is perpendicular to the both J and K. AY BJ positive I cap, so it will be positive. Next, AG BX, K into I, KI, they are also in proper, so it is plus AZ BX I motor, this is J cap, plus KJ, that in opposite order, so minus KJ AG BY, KJ motor minus I cap, minus I cap. First we write the I cap, AY BG minus AG PY I cap, then J cap. Here, this is minus sign, J cap, plus sign, AG BX minus AX BG or J cap. We close both J and J, I and K and K. Okay. Next plus AX BY minus AY BX K cap. Guys, this is actually A cross B. A cross. This is actually A cross B, guys. Guys, from this formula, can we find B cross A? Can you find B cross A? That means to see the formula of A cross B, can we write B cross A? Can you write B cross A? So guys, look, there is I cap, so we have to leave X component. We have to left X component, so Y and G and Y. Here is J cap, so we have to leave Y component, that is G and X and G. And here is K cap, so we have to leave G component, AX BY, X Y, Y G, Y X, not G. Y and X. So if I ask you to write this formula A cross B, then we have to A cross B. Simply write AB difference AB I cap first, I cap plus AB difference AB, J cap plus AB minus AB, K cap. So first I, that means we have to leave X, so Y and G, first Y then G, so first Y G Y, then we have to leave J, here is J cap, that means we have to left X, sorry Y, so first G then X, first we have to G, right, G first then X, first G, that means first K then I, first K then I, if I write X and G, this will be wrong, so G and X and G. Here we have to left G, that means first X then Y and X. This is our formula A cross B. So guys, we can also write B into B cross A, the formula of B cross A. Look how B cross A. B cross A. That means first BA I cap plus BA minus BA J cap plus BA minus BA K cap. So we have to write here I cap. So we left J G X. So Y and G and Y. Here X we have to leave Y. So X first G and X, G and X and G. Then Y and X and Y and X. This is our A cross B formula, guys. This is our A cross B formula. Make sense? It's not interesting? So guys, next, actually, we can arrange these values of AY, BJ in a matrix also, determinants also. Look here, A cross B, I cap, J cap and K cap, AX in second column, AX, so the second row, AX, AY, AG, then BX, BY, BG. This is our determinants. We can also, if we find A cross B, then we put this from this determinant, we get this formula. So guys, let's have an example. Let's take a screenshot. I am going to erase 1, 2, 3. A factor, suppose A factor 3 I cap plus for J cap minus 2 K cap. Then another vector B, let for I cap plus 2 J cap and minus 3 K cap. Guys, next A cross B, that means I have a formula. We have a formula that is AX first, AB minus AB I cap plus AB difference AB J cap plus AB difference AB K cap. So this is AB, AB first I cap, that means YZ, GY, YG, GY, and J, that means GX, XG, KK, that means XY, YX. So the component of AY and BG, AY and BG, AY and BG. That is 4 into 3 minus AG and BY, AG and BY. That is minus 2 into 2 I cap plus AG BX. AG, that is minus 2 into BX, that is 4 minus AX BG. AX, that is 3 into BG minus 3. So that is J cap plus AX, AX, that is 3 AX BY, that is 2 minus AY BX, AY, that is 4 and BX also 4 then that is KF. So this is 12. So 4 2 to the 4 plus 4 JK. So I cap plus minus 4 minus 8 plus 9 JK plus 6 minus 16 JK. This will be 16 I cap plus J cap plus this will be 1. So simply J cap minus 16, that is minus 10 K cap. This is our another. This is also a vector which is A cross B. Let's see. This is vector. Another vector. It is C vector. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.